In 2020, 50 billion devices will be connected to the internet. 2 years later, 1 trillion networked sensors will be embedded in the world around us. The industrial Internet of Things will shape our world more than the first industrial revolution. The next industrial revolution, also called Industry 4.0, will be driven by connection. A connection between machines, software, factories, devices, and most importantly, between people. The vision of MB-Connect Line is a better economic and social future, driven by data, controlled by people. As IoT is transforming the world, MB-Connect Line is changing the way industries work. Whether you want to access your machines remotely, you need to provide real-time production data, or drive network visibility and control to prevent cyber attacks. The real opportunity is to look beyond technology and find ways to give people the ability to positively impact their families, organizations, and communities. With MB-Connect Line's products and solutions, you can transform your business to a future-ready organization. Remote access, industrial cybersecurity, and edge computing. MB-Connect Line. Secure solutions for the Internet of Things.